Hey guys, today we're unboxing. This time it's a Dell laptop, 15-inch model Dell Inspiron 3583. So let's see what's inside and we'll talk about the specs. This laptop has Core i5-8265 CPU, 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and it also has an SSD 256 gigabytes NVMe model. The screen is Full HD 15.6 inches. The box does not want to be opened easily. The maximum this laptop supports is 16 gigs of RAM. So let's see what else. Inspiron 5. And that's it. Safety information, EU radio equipment, Inspiron 15300 series. Okay. Silica gel. Okay. EU power cable. And the adapter. Okay. This is the laptop. It's quite thin, but let's open it up and see. It's not one of the lightest ones. It's 2 kilos, but it is quite thin. I hope you can see. All plastic, and this has some pattern on it. It's not just clear plastic with Dell logo, of course. And let's see what's inside. Inspiron. Full HD display, webcam HD, wireless Bluetooth, HDMI, SD card reader, and spill resistant keyboard. So it's not like you can freely spill your coffee all over it, but in case this happens, as it happens quite a lot, you are not going to burn your laptop. Let's see. So as we said, it's a i5-8265U processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of NVMe SSD, and the usual expanding network. Also has, this is power, HDMI to USB, and headphones on this side, nothing on the back. And let's see, SD card reader, another USB, and nothing else. Here it has the same pattern as the one on the top. The touchpad is big. This is the power button. I have to connect the adapter in order to power the laptop up. I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay guys, that's it for today. Bye!